dear 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the lesson rational numbers as decimals. Now the next topic is a conversion of terminating decimals into rational numbers. So the terminating decimals are given that we have to convert into rational numbers. Now example 7. Convert 1 by 2 in the form p by q. P by q is a rational number, isn't it? So 1 by 2 is a decimal. Convert into a p by q form. How? So 1 by 2 can be written as 12 upon 10. Why 10? Because it is one decimal. If it is one decimal, then divide by 10. Now can you simplify it? Yes. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. So you got 6 by 5. Answer is 6 by 5. Clear? Now coming to the example 8. Express the following decimals in the form p by q. There are so many examples. So first 0 by 0.4. 0.4 one decimal, so 4 by 10. It can be simplified. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So it will be 2 by 5. Now the second one, 3.75. It is 2 decimals, isn't it? So 375 as it is upon 2 decimal, so divide by 100. Now 5, table 5, it is 5 7s are 35, 2 remains, 7 5s are 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, 2 remains, 5 5s are 25. Now 5, how much are? It is a 20s, isn't it? 5 20s. Now again 5, 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5, 6 7, 2 remains, 5 5s are 25. So you got 15 by 4. Hope you are understanding. Now 1.025. So 1025. Numerator don't put the decimal, and denominator it will be 1 2 3. 3 decimal, so it will be 1000. 3 zeros. Now 5, if you take 5 2s are 10, 0 0, 5 2s are 10. Now 5 how much are 2? Not possible. 0. Now take 2 and 5 25. 5 how much are 25? 5 5s are 25. Now 5 4s are 20 and 0. 5 4s are 20 and 5 1s are 5. So you got 41 upon 40. Okay. Now we'll solve this sum here. 56.875. So 56.875. 3 decimal, so divided by 1000. 3 zeros, isn't it? 1000. Now 5 2s are 10, 0 0. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 1 remains, 18. 5 3s are 15, 16 17 18, so 3 remains. 5 7s are 35, So 2 remains, 2 and 5, 25, 5 5s are 25. Now 5 4s are 20 and 0. Here it will be 5 2s are 10, 1 remains, 5 2s are 10, 3 remains, 5 7s are 35, 2 remains, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 8s are 40, 5 4s are 20, 2 remains, 27, 5 5s are 25, 2 remains, 5 5s are 25. So you have to be careful in the cancellation. So all 5 in the table of 5, but you have to be careful, okay. Numerator it is 4 5 5, denominator 8. This is the lowest form, okay. Now coming to the next sum, minus 2.56 minus 256 upon 2 decimal, so 100. Now this is 6 and 0, so 2. 2 5s are 10 and 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 2 8s are 16. Now 2 25s are 50, 2 6s are 12 and 2 4s are 8. You could have done directly by 4 also, okay. So 4 25s are 4 6s are 24, 1 remains, 4 4s are 16. So minus 64 upon 25. Now coming to the last one, minus 25 upon 100. It's only 25 and the 2 decimal, that is why upon 100. Already you know 25 ones are, 25 fours are. So the answer is minus 1 by 4. Hope everyone understood. सबको समझ में आया होगा. डेसिमल दिया है, उसको रैशनल नंबर में लिखने का है. Now coming to the example 9. It is addition. 15.1 add बोले हैं, so plus 12.03 plus 7.209. See, you can write in the vertical at form. So एक के नीचे एक लिखकर पहले आप लोग करते थे, लेकिन अभी बड़े क्लास में हॉरिजॉन्टल मेथड में आप लोग ट्राई करो. डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आप लोगों को थोड़ा इजी होने के लिए we'll write the like decimals. Remember, in 5th standard you have learned the 3 decimal. So convert all in 3 decimal. So this one will be 15.100 plus 12.030 plus 7.209. So it is like 15.1, 12.03, then 7.209. ऐसा रहता तो आप लोगों को इधर एक्स्ट्रा 0, इधर 2 एक्स्ट्रा 0 ऐसे लेते थे, याद है. सो इट इज 9, दिस इज 3, this is 3 and 7, 7, 14, 1, 2, 3, 34.339. Now horizontal method, how we have to see? 0, 0, 9, 9, 0, 3, 0, 3, 1, 0, 2, means 1 plus 2 is 3. Now 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 1, 2, 3. The answer is same. This is the horizontal method, this is the vertical method. So here onwards, be confident of the horizontal method. Okay, that is the example 9. Now coming to example 10, subtract. Subtract from. So second number has to be written first, isn't it? It is a 12.01 minus 5.012. Now 3 decimal, convert this also into 3 decimal. 010 minus 5.012. So here 12.01. Now I am doing this, but in the worksheet we will do the horizontal method only. 5.012 subtraction. So here we have to take extra 0. So subtract करने के वक्त directly 10 minus 0 means 10 minus 2 is 8. Now it is a 9 because we have we have borrowed, so now it will be 0. So again we have to borrow, so it will be 10 minus 1, 9. Now here we have taken from here, isn't it? We have borrowed from here, so it will be here 10 and then we have taken 1 till to the right side, so it will be 9. समझ में आया? So 1 इस तरफ आया 10, 10 minus 2 is 8. इधर बचा 0 है ना, इधर से लिया है 0 minus 1 not possible, so directly 1, 10, 9, 10, 10 minus 1, 9, 9. Now 1 is 0, 11 minus 5 is 6. तो ऐसे किया जाता है, तो डायरेक्टली करने के लिए 10 minus 2 is 8. Now here it is 10 minus 1 is 9. Here 9 is remaining, 9 minus 0. Here it will be 1, means 11 minus 5 is 6. 6.998. Now coming to the example 11, that is multiplication. Multiplication, you have to multiply the usual method without putting the decimal. If it is a bigger number, we have to. So 24 and 35. 5 fours are 20, 5 twos are 10, 12. Now it is 3 fours are 12, 3 twos are 6 plus 1, 7. So 0, 4, 8. Now answer, it is 840. But here 1, 2 decimal, 1, 2. लेकिन इधर 0 को वैल्यू नहीं है डेसिमल में, इसके लिए द फाइनल आंसर विल बी 8.4. Now coming to the next sum, the 3 digit we have to write first and then 48. 8 fours are 32, 8 eights are 64, 65, 66, 67, 8 ones are 8, 9, 10, 14, 4 fours are 16, 4 eights are 32, 33, 4 ones are 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2, 12, 13, 4, 8, now 8. Ordinary multiplication. Answer 8832, 8832, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Answer is 8.832. Now divide. So हर एक के आप लोगों को एडिशन था, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन. ये 5th स्टैंडर्ड का टॉपिक ऑर्डिनरी डेसिमल्स वाला है ना. नाउ डिवाइड 32 लॉन्ग डिविजन यू कैन डू 32.768 डिवाइड बाय 8. 8 4 32, 0, bring 7 down, small, so 0, 0 7, bring 6 down, 76 means 9 72, it is 6 minus 2 is 4, bring 8 down, 8 6 48. So answer 4.096. Is it clear? Now 6.25 divide by 0.5. Divide by 0.5. Now this is also a decimal, so we have to use the other method. First, the decimal has to be removed here. How? Remember the 5th standard topic. So 1 decimal इसके लिए multiplied by 10. So denominator becomes 5. Numerator एक right side जाएगा है ना, एक place. Decimal moves to the right 1 place because 10. So it becomes 62.5. Now you can do the long division method like here. Otherwise directly 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 1 remains, 5 twos are 10, 2 remains, 5 fives are 25. So the answer is 12.5. Answer 12.5. Okay. Now coming to simplify and express the result in the decimal form. Now it is in the rational number, isn't it? But you have to solve and write it in the decimal form. So first we have to take the LCM. It is a fraction, so LCM. LCM कैसे निकालने का? सबसे बड़ा वाला नंबर 25. 25 ones are 25. Yes, 5 okay, but 10 no. So 25 twos are 50. Yes, 5 tens are 50, 10 fives are 50. So LCM is a 50. Now 1 into 5 tens are 50. 3 into 10 fives are 50. 4 into 25 twos. Now it will be 10 plus 3 fives are 15. 4 twos are 12 upon 50. It's 2 plus 5 plus 2 is 7. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 5 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. Sorry, 4 twos are 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 33 by 50. Now it is in the rational form, P by Q, but write in the decimal. So decimal के लिए कैसे करने का है? याद है? 33 by 50 into 2. Denominator 100. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, that means 6, 6, 2 zeros, so 2 decimal. Answer is 0.66. Otherwise, long division also you can do. Hope you understood. So, multiplication and all you have to be careful. Okay, calculation you have to be careful, otherwise the answer will be wrong. In between slight mistake, then it will be wrong. Hope you understood all the examples for worksheet 3. Okay, bye. Thank you. All the best.